In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a date in Confluence. This feature is incredibly useful if you manage content collaboratively and need to keep track of when specific updates were made. Let's dive in and go through this process step by step to ensure you're well equipped to manage your Confluence pages more effectively. We'll begin our journey on your Confluence homepage. This is your central hub where you can access all your spaces and pages. From here, the first task is to choose the specific workspace that you want to work in today. Think of workspaces like folders. They help you organize your projects and are typically tailored for different teams or purposes within an organization. Once you've got your workspace in sight, click on it to reveal its pages. Once inside, the next logical step is to select the specific page where you'd like to insert the date. This selection will direct us precisely where we need to make our edit. Ensure you've chosen the correct page to avoid confusion later. Click on that page, and soon enough, you'll see all its existing content. Now, focus your attention on the top of the page. You're looking for the Edit button. Click on it to initiate editing mode. This is where we can make the necessary changes and add new information to the page. Editing mode is similar to a blank canvas, allowing you to modify text, add images, or in our case, input a date. Inside the editable page, using your keyboard, type in /date. This shortcut is a quick and efficient way to prompt the system to offer you various options related to date entry. Almost like magic, you'll notice a drop-down menu appear with relevant options. It's a great trick to have up your sleeve, especially when dealing with large amounts of data. Next, you'll want to click the Date option from the drop-down menu. This is where the system really becomes user-friendly, offering a calendar view for you to choose the specific date you wish to insert. Take a moment to review past entries or future deadlines that need highlighting on this page. Once you've made your date selection, validate it with a simple click. Now, with everything set, the last step in this process is to confirm your changes. Look for the Update button, generally located at the bottom of the page. Clicking this will save the new information and ensure it's visible to your team and collaborators. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted a date into a Confluence page, adding a timestamp that can be crucial for tracking progress or managing documentation timelines. Thank you for following along with this guide. I hope it makes your use of Confluence easier and more efficient. Don't hesitate to revisit this tutorial if you need a refresher. Happy collaborating!